Welcome. Today I am with WIKO Y60 and I will show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. You have to go for the settings. Next you have to find accounts. Click here to add account. Click on Google. Now you have to wait. Input your new account. Then click next. And right now you have to simply input your password. When you input your password, you have to click next in the right upper corner, in the right bottom corner. Then click agree. And as you can see right now, I'm logged in with two accounts, and when you go for the Play Store, we have to wait a little bit. Okay, it takes too much time. We can restart this Play Store. Okay, I think we have just to wait for it. Okay, and as you can see, right now we have to tap right here on the right upper corner, and right now we can easily switch between accounts. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.